Today I'm going to show you how to make this delicious and healthy meal prep of your noodles and fish cutlets. First thing we're going to do, we're going to make our cutlets. So into your food processor, go ahead and add your chopped onion and garlic cloves. And then add 1 egg. And we're going to blitz this together until it's nice and smooth and turns into a puree just like that. Then go ahead and add your chopped fish. I'm using smoked fish. You can use any smoked fish. You can use cod or haddock. It will work with each of these. Then you're going to go ahead and add all your spices and blitz everything together until it's nice and smooth and still has some texture. Don't puree this for too long as we want to have nice texture to the fish. Then add everything into a bowl and then go ahead and add your chia seeds. And when you want to add your horseradish, you can use the sauce or homemade horseradish, it's up to you. Mix everything together using the gloves. And then we're going to form nice patties from this mixture. Just take them into your hand, form it up. I like to use a little bit of wet water on my gloves so it's easier to form the patties. And depending on the size you want them, you just form them as small or as big as you like. You're then going to dip each patty into oat bran, or you can just blitz some oats and then and put them in there as well. Or you can use breadcrumbs, of course, as well. We're trying to be super healthy here. Then add all your patties onto a baking tray and we're going to bake these until they're done. Now once they're done, they're going to look like this, absolutely gorgeous and yummy. Now to make our noodles, I'm going to use these glass noodles. You're going to add them into the bowl. You're going to add hot water on top of your noodles and leave them to soak for 10 minutes or so. Once they're softened, you're going to drain the water and they should look just like so. Now for your veggies, I'm going to use asparagus and carrots. I'm just going to peel my carrots into these strings just like so, but feel free to chop and design your vegetables how you want them. I'm also going to chop my asparagus into nice small pieces just like so. I want to make it nice and colorful. Then you're going to take your pan and you're going to add your noodles right inside with all your vegetables. You're then going to cook this for a few minutes and using tongs, just mix it up and down. Now for our delicious sauce, we're going to mix together sesame oil and soy sauce. So I usually add that in and mix it through. And just keep going until everything is mixed through. If you might need to add more soy sauce, you can go ahead and do that. But try making sure that you like the taste. So you can always just take a little bit of noodles out and just taste it and see how they taste. And once everything is cooked, you're then going to divide this between your meal prep boxes and then add 2 cutlets per tray. And here you go. This is a whole meal prep for 1 week. And of course, if it's 2 people, you're going to share that. You can also top it up with some roasted peanuts just to add that flavor and crunch. These meals are so amazing, so delicious, super healthy. And I absolutely love how quick and easy it is. They will keep well in the fridge for 4 days. If you can't finish them in 4 days, then I would recommend you freeze them up to 1 month. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.